Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we're tracing a fascinating, incredibly high-pressure network straight inside your own body. We're talking about a continuous loop that keeps you alive, moving, and breathing every single second of the day.
Our source material for this journey is the Circulation Bee Challenge Worksheet. Think of this document as our literal map. We're going to decode it together, line by line, to reveal the mechanics of one of your body's absolutely most vital processes.
So, here's the big challenge. Can you pass this crucial circulation test? Let's trace the exact path that sustains human life by following a single, literal drop of blood on its continuous cycle through your internal infrastructure.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the left ventricle departure. This is where our journey begins. Okay, let's dive into this. Our cycle officially kicks off in the left ventricle. But wait, to get out, our drop of blood has to clear a major hurdle. It's under immense pressure, and it desperately needs an exit. So, blood leaves the left ventricle through which valve?
Well, that vital biological gateway is the aortic valve. It basically acts as a strict one-way door straight out of the left ventricle. Our drop of blood must push through this exact mechanism, and once it clears this threshold, boom, there's no turning back.
Moving right along to Section 2, quality in the main highway. Time to check on that blood quality.
So, once we're through that one-way valve, our blood hits the open road with a really specific purpose. But think about it. At this exact point, the quality of the blood is what?
When we say quality here, we're actually talking about its cargo. It turns out this blood is highly oxygenated. It is packed to the absolute brim with all the oxygen and nutrients the rest of your body is just waiting for. It's totally primed for the ultimate delivery.
But hey, to make a delivery that massive, you need some serious biological infrastructure, right? So can you name the large vessel that carries this oxygen-rich blood out to the rest of the body?
We are talking about the aorta. This is the body's ultimate superhighway, and it is built specifically to withstand the crazy hammering pressure of blood rushing straight out of the heart, shooting it rapidly out toward all your body's systems.
Now for Section 3, exchange at the tissues. We're talking microscopic drop-offs here.
We're going to shift scales dramatically now. Imagine pulling off that massive aorta highway and zooming way down into the microscopic level. At the body's tissues, a vital exchange occurs between the systemic capillaries and what else?
That exchange happens right between the systemic capillaries and your body's individual cells. These are the microscopic drop-off points, kind of like tiny dead ends, where the blood finally unloads its oxygen and picks up waste. The ultimate exchange is complete.
Which brings us to Section 4, the return to the heart, the long journey home.
All right, so the drop-off is done, the oxygen is gone, and now our little drop of blood has to navigate the long road back. Let's number the structures in the exact order blood passes through them as it returns to the heart.
And this brilliantly illustrates the exact sequence from our map. First, leaving the tissues, that deoxygenated blood enters the systemic veins. Second, it pulls into the massive vena cava. And finally, number 3, it completes its journey by arriving right back at the right atrium of the heart.
Almost there. Section 5, the systemic circulation pathway. We are completing the loop. Okay, let's recap. We launched from the left ventricle, we dropped off oxygen at the deepest tissues, and we successfully navigated all the way back to the right atrium. So here's the final exam question. Is this entire pathway part of pulmonary or systemic circulation? Think back to the epic journey we just mapped out. Did we make a quick little trip to the lungs to pick up air? Actually, no. We traveled out to the rest of the body, all the way down to the deepest cellular tissues. So the crucial point here is this grand biological loop is the systemic circulation pathway. It is the massive body-wide network that's completely responsible for delivering that high-quality, oxygenated cargo everywhere your body demands it. Just think about the sheer scale of what we just decoded together. From running a marathon to literally just sitting there thinking about this explainer. This continuous, hidden systemic loop is firing inside you thousands of times a day. So what other incredible hidden highways are quietly keeping you alive right now?